Hi, wonderful world language teachers. This is another example to show you how to use AI-based features to help you generate any game that you have. So for instance, I was working on the Guess Who game that you have seen in the other video. So I'm going to say, hey, help me build a board with Guess Who. And this will really start generating a board, opening a new board. As you know, that Jamboard is phasing out by July 2024. So this will be another alternative and which is free for the teachers to use. So let's take a look. Guess Who? Icebreaker. We can highlight. You can have the students to write what happened to them, and then the rest of the student play Guess Who. And the guessing game and important insights. Let me move this. You can see on the right side there's a slider. You can enlarge it and move it around and take a look what is the insights. You can also zoom out and then see the grand view what happened. And if this is really not what you want, you can also come here and then start writing whatever game icebreaker. Let's try how to see what happens. I don't even know. There's so many possibilities, and this will give you some ideas that you can run, and you choose and pick what you like, what you don't like, and then just instead of explore online, you can actually have this generate for you, and then you just decide what you want or not. And let's take a look what icebreaker this have given us. This is a great collaborating storytelling. Hey, we can use that for world language if we have a story we want our students to tell, and then this is really what we want, and we can just copy and paste this and then make more. And if you don't like this, you can just click this and delete. Play around. There's so many different features. There's also other features I really like. For instance, there's a timer here that you can put timer. It will play music for you. It's really cool. And also there's another feature where you can take pictures, have your student take pictures, and then you can have a game board here. I have well, this will be another session. The Figma is one of my favorite collaboration board right now. So I hope this will help you play around and type in whatever activity you have in mind. See if it will generate for you, and even vocabulary lists. For instance, I want to have a vocabulary practice and see what will come up. Okay, so here it is. Vocabulary word of the day, practice exercise, review and enforce. And so this is a board idea. And there's actually a little bit more of the activities that you can use to add on. For instance, you can have the student to record for you, give them stamps, different charts. You can have a dice to play with them. There's so many functions. If you have any needs, type in here and see whether they have it. For instance, I want them to record. And then this will give you some activity, four corner activities, and then projectors. And you can even have your student record here for you. And you can leave a message here and have them answer. So quite a few. This will be another session. But right now, I really want to just show you how AI can generate things for you. And you can share with your student. They all log in. One advice though, whatever template you made, make sure you make a copy, save the template, and have the student play on the other one. You can always regenerate instead of have to go back in and delete everything and then get a clean version template. All right, that's it. Thank you.